I don't really know what to do with it, honestly.
I can sell you something, Crag.
All right, what do you got?
He fiddles around in his pockets.
Yeah.
Can
okay.
I Google random object?
Oh, God, I'd love to see what he pulls out.
He pulls out a can of peas.
Oh, damn. All right.
And he's like, these are magic peas.
Crag, I don't mean to interrupt the trade you've clearly got going on here.
Magic peas! Holy
Sorry,
shit!
sorry, he got a
Whoa!
thing in his inside. He definitely thinks they're magic.
All right, little skivet, how much do you want for these peas?
Crag, he is literally selling you things he found on the ship.
Rick, these are magic peas. No, Pocket, tell him about the peas.
They're magic peas, man. I
Yeah,
couldn't
stay
have found
right
these
there.
on the ship.
Pocket wouldn't lie to us.
That's true, Crag. Continue.
2,000 lumens.
All right, here you go. I give him the 2,000 lumens.
Yeah, you do want to state Crag has only 2,000 lumens on him. Now I want to stress, all of you currently have 0 lumens, and Pocket has about 5,000.